Hi, I'm Mike Marion-Wald, President of North American Auctioneers, and we have just auctioned this property at 584 Nottinghill for Evan. And what a night that was, wasn't it, Evan?
Oh, it was fantastic seeing the numbers go up, Mike.
Yeah, we had 101 bids last night on this property. Sold it in 3 weeks.
Yep.
3 weeks we sold it, going to close in another 30 days. And so, Evan, would you do this again? Would you auction a property again?
Yeah, I absolutely would. In fact, sold another property in 2025, and I regret not going through the auction process with it.
Right, so everything with the marketing. What about the marketing? What did you think about the marketing?
It was a combination of radio, social, and of course some outdoor advertising here. And I think through those 3 channels, reached a lot of potential buyers, got a lot of foot traffic into the house. So very happy with it.
Yeah, we had over 60 realtors.
Yeah.
Over 60 realtors visited the property in a short three-week period.
Yeah.
So thanks a lot.
No, thank you, Mike.
Yeah, it was great working with you. So if you're looking to sell your property yesterday, you're a real estate yesterday, call North American Auctioneers.